The next thing I'm going to show you is mounting the work table on here and showing you that process. So I'm going to go ahead and back off these bolts because you have to change these out. So I'm going to back these back off. And you want to make sure you do this again with the punch in here, because I'll show you why here in a second. You'll lower that down. So what you want to do, slide that bottom die holder out, and then this plate sits right on top of this, and that's why you're changing the bolt. So it's notched out to fit around there, so they'll sit up just like that. So you want to slide the whole thing in as a unit, and then the work rest comes with these two flathead bolts. And these are just have a regular screwdriver, flathead screwdriver top on them, so you can just tighten them up with a screwdriver. They don't have to be insanely tight. You just want to make sure they're nice and secure to keep the die held on and lined up with your punch. So before those get tightened up, you can bring the top punch down. Make sure you don't crash your tooling. Let that sit in there. And then I just grab a long screwdriver. I prefer a long screwdriver when I do this because it allows the part of the screwdriver to be as close to the machine as possible, because these bolts are so close in. And then you can, I just go just a little snug with one side, get the other side before you put a little bit of extra tightening on them. So that is mounting the work table, and again, it comes with these different stops, I suppose you would say, and you can move these around. There's all these bolt holes in here. They're all threaded, so you can move these around, tighten them up in place with the supplied bolts, and be able to set up different fences for where you're trying to punch.